That's the first Niger Bridge. Why should I call it this new one? Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ginika and I love traveling and sharing my findings on my channel. You are busy drinking ice cream. Instead of you to look at the Second Niger Bridge. You are busy drinking ice cream. Make sure you look at the bridge. In today's video, I am on my way to the eastern part of Nigeria, my route, and I thought I should share the Second Niger Bridge, what it currently looks like through my lens. Please, if this is the kind of content you signed up for, then kindly watch this video till the end. If you find the video useful, then please kindly share and do not forget to like and leave me your comments. Both the first and the second Niger Bridge serves as the linker between the southeast and the southwestern part of Nigeria. We have been driving through Asaba and heading towards Onitsha. You can spot the first Niger Bridge from this point. Over there, just look to my left. Now, stay tuned to behold the second Niger Bridge. Okay, so we are going to follow the new bridge, Second Niger Bridge. You're not going to the old bridge. Second Niger.
That's the place the white water.
Second Niger Bridge. There's no single traffic, it's just bomb. And very, very high bomb. Very high bomb. Welcome to Onitsha. Sorry.
Go.
This bomb. I want to be
Go.
Yes. That's the first Niger Bridge. Benny, you better not tell it. Why should I call it this new one? This new one is sweet, it's smooth, it's long. I beg, they build toll gate. Hey, people go they pay. But I'm worried about the toll gate though. What's all this toll gate for? Who do you want to be charging money? It goes to whose purse? They cannot start it yet, but they will soon start it definitely for them to have installed it. Man, the road is so smooth, so smooth. Trial. Spoon ga ị na-eme ya aghọta ọ 20 naira ka ị na-ama ya emekwe n'ike nwanyị ọma emekwe ike mo akịda ego neketa akịda ego ne ka iti na neketa akịda 100 naira it is as 15 naira that's 100 naira and the last 15 naira why ọma God okay can't you grow you very miss ka uro mmezu ya bịakwa ọ ga mbịakwa ọzọ mgbochi ọzọ ri onye ọsọsọ na ri onye okay ọ na-atọ ọ na-atọ okay